YouTube. I wasn't expecting to make this video so early because they told me yesterday that everything was shipped out, but my new replacement icicle light set is here. So I was just going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing and testing video of it. So we're not going to sync it up to any of the hubs. We're just literally going to unbox it, plug it into the wall, make sure it works. So. Now it's going to look on the inside. We have a white box just like the last one, and some protective styrofoam, and then it's in a white box. So now we're just going to take it out of the wall, or take it out of the package real quick. Another brand new set, and hopefully this works. And it blinks a little bit to reset, and as you can see, everything is beautifully working. Nice and brand new. We're going to do a all songs video pretty soon. I'm gonna do it later at night in the room with all the orchestra lights like I planned on doing. And now this icicle set will be part of that. So that was a very short unboxing of the brand new icicle lights. And at least I didn't have to pay $54 for a brand new set. So that's the thing with Jemmy. If you have a problem with the product, right now you can actually get away with sending back your 2021, 2022, and 2023 products to Jemmy. But don't try and send anything 2020 or older, because chances are they're most likely not going to do it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video, and stay tuned for an all songs video on these lights. I'm going to do it very soon because now I have all my orchestra light products in again.